I'm Steve.
And I'm Dan from Refresh.
And we're here with Three-Way to have a little mud flinging contest and to decide once and for all which is the better way. Three-way
or paper tape.
So we've gone ahead and thrown our tape. It's ready to be rolled and flushed. And we're going to do that using these fancy Can-Am tools.
We got a clink to make sure we're on the same strip.
Here.
Look what happened. I think I would have been a little closer to you in timing, but as I was flushing out this corner, a piece of the tape got hooked on my flusher, and then I spent a large amount of time trying to fix that corner.
That makes sense. That's actually one of the best things about the Three-Way. Because Three-Way goes on after the tape, it's impossible to pull your tape. You can't hook anything because the Three-Way is covering it. So you could go in there with a flusher, with a trowel, with a knife, and you'll never catch anything.
Right.
Makes it really, really easy.
Yeah, I mean, you can do it if you spend the time. You can make these corners, you can sculpt them to be whatever you want. But it does seem like that three-way corner, you're going to get the same consistent corner every single time.
Definitely makes it easy.
Definitely easier, because that wasn't so easy, and now I'm covered in mud, and I've got a new shower. Okay, we're back. We're ready for coat number 2. Everything's dry behind.
Just a quick explanation. So we're going to use these flushers and we're going to basically clean up the new mud that we've applied. And I'm going to show you how much easier it is to sculpt a three-way corner than it is to sculpt an overlap paper tape corner.
Let's do it.
Ellie? How's that sculpting coming?
Just give me one second.
I'm going to clean my mud bud and then I'll check back in on you.
Another huge benefit of using the three-way corners. By the time this sucker's dry, I'm going to take my sanding sponge, maybe a knife, and I'm going to have to spend a lot of time up there making sure that corner is nice and perfect.
Here, on my side, as you can see, I don't really need to get right into the corner because the corner is perfect. So with a sanding sponge and a little effort, you can sand that back to perfect every single time without much work. And you probably don't even need to take a knife up there. So sculpting, no brainer, three-way corner is easier.
I was playing a losing game all along. I didn't even know. That's the way to go. This is not. It's the way
You
to
can
go.
argue that tape is messier.
Amateur hour.